Few car problems are more frustrating than discovering your brake lights won't turn off, especially when it leads to a dead battery overnight. This high-grade heavy-duty brake pedal stopper replacement offers a simple, cost-effective fix for a surprisingly common issue caused by a worn or broken factory stopper. Small in size but critical in function, this part restores proper brake light operation and helps prevent unnecessary battery drain. Designed as a direct replacement, this stopper fits securely into the brake pedal assembly where the original plastic piece often deteriorates with age. When that original stopper cracks or disintegrates, the brake light switch pin is no longer depressed, causing the brake lights to remain on even when the vehicle is turned off. This replacement part solves that problem quickly by restoring the correct contact point between the pedal and the switch. Made from durable, high-quality material, this replacement is built to last longer than the brittle factory plastic commonly found in older vehicles. Despite its solid construction, installation is straightforward and typically requires no special tools. Many users report snapping it into place in minutes once the brake pedal area is accessible, making it an ideal repair for both experienced DIYers and first-time car owners. With compact package dimensions and lightweight design, this part is easy to store or keep as a spare. It is a smart preventative fix if you notice bits of broken plastic on the driver's side floorboard or experience unexplained battery drain paired with constantly illuminated brake lights. Before purchasing, confirm compatibility with your vehicle to ensure proper fit. If your brake lights are staying on and you want a fast, reliable solution without expensive shop visits, this brake pedal stopper replacement is an excellent choice. Click the link in the video description to get yours today, and subscribe to the channel for more practical automotive fixes and maintenance solutions.